Hi everyone, Rob with Landshapes Construction and Inspections by Rob. Also, Ask Rob to be Home Savvy on YouTube. Check us out there. Today we have a dehumidifier. Have you ever had one that just stopped pumping and not self-emptying the reservoir? All of a sudden it comes up with a red light on and says empty bucket. Well, let's take a look. Down inside of our unit, we've actually removed the water reservoir. There's actually a label here that says you have to do maintenance to this on a regular basis. Pretty simple. There's a little knob up in here. We have to loosen this up, take this off. There will be some water that comes out, of course. Then there's a little filter. That little filter needs to be washed and cleaned. See, it's all goopy. Okay, so we've cleaned and rinsed the filter. We put a towel down because, as you saw, there was a fair bit of water that actually came out of the unit. So we're just going to reverse assembly. Reassemble. That's just a hand tighten for that knob inside of there. You've kind of dried up our mess here. Now it's just a matter of replace your water bucket, power back on, no more empty bucket, and now it will automatically stay on pump. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.